Hi friends, having a digital asset is a great idea to start earning online. At this channel DJCN, we are exploring multiple options through which we can create our own digital asset. We can own our digital asset and we can make use of that for earning online. Either it can be in a format of SaaS, or you can also use it for your own e-commerce website. Is always being on trend nowadays, and you might be aware about the e-commerce platform like Shopify, WordPress, WooCommerce, and multiple others. CMS are available in market, but they charge for every month or yearly, and there are multiple maintenance costs involved in those platforms. What if you want to create your own CMS? For creating your own CMS and start using and selling through an e-commerce website without using external platform, and you are going to get a complete open source code for hosting at your own server and to start an e-commerce portal. So you are already watching this wonderful e-commerce portal, and it is very professional and it is working prominently for showing all the products that is listed on this portal. So in this video, we are going to explore a ready to use script through which you can start using, start creating, or start selling your products through this platform, or even you can offer this platform to your prospective clients if you are having some digital services in your profession. So this is active e-commerce, and it is a complete e-commerce multi-vendor marketplace website, and you can create your own portal using this option that I am going to show you, and it is going to be ready under $100 again. So I am exploring only those ready to script options at this channel that can be used directly at our host, in a self-hosted manner, and a minimal expenditure we can start our digital asset business. In this video, we have this complete e-commerce portal, and you can see the speed and the aesthetics and the design and everything that you want for an e-commerce portal is available here, and it is really a great portal. So it is going to be complete in every respect, and you can start your CMS for e-commerce immediately after having this script. But yes, we have to overview its complete features, and I'm going to show you the dashboard, admin dashboard, in this video. So I'll take you directly to the dashboard of this active e-commerce, and this is the script, ready to use script, and the script name is active e-commerce CMS itself, and it is readily available at Code Canyon through the link given in the video description. So it is available just for $59, and when you add the hosting charges, it will be a complete solution under $100, and it has got 5-star ratings, good number of sales, and it is being regularly updated as well. So you can use this script without any doubt, and in the latest version is 7.8.0 is released, and you can start using it directly at your host. So this is the dashboard through which we are going to control our e-commerce portal. And at the dashboard, at the very first screen, we are checking all the details, all the information what is going inside the system, like product category and the product brand, how many orders, how many customers. So summarily, we can check all the details at this dashboard in form of reports, and top 12 products has also been shown on the dashboard. What are the top 12 products that is performing well. The another part of this system, that is this is the dashboard, and this is the website which is available on the web for all the users. And the another part of the system is POS. It is really very important. So you can use this script, this application, this solution for selling the products at your retail store as well. So if you are having a retail store, you can use this system for both activities. Either you can sell your products online, or you can use this solution for direct selling from your retail or wholesale shop. So POS, I would like to show you first of all. This is POS, and it is very interactive, easy to use POS system, point of sale, you can say, for retail billing and all. So I'll show you, like anyone is buying this watch for Silman's brand. So simply click on this. So it would be added in the price as it has been set, the price as set, and it had been added in the details, order details, and you can further select like walk-in customer, or if you are having already listed customer with you, and suppose you and the customer is visiting your store and you are selling directly to him. And further, if you are willing to ship the product, like if you are taking order on a phone, or and the customer is saying ship at my store, you can post the shipping address as well. So it is very good option. Shipping is already included. You can select from existing customers. You can use this as walk-in customer, and further you can add the products, and the pricing will be added automatically as set in the background. And similarly, you can search products, like barcode option is also here, and you can use barcode option, and you can use the product name like HGVO, like this is the product. So this is here, and simply you can click on the place order, and it will create the bill, total of bill. So you can collect the payment according to bill, like confirm COD, confirm with cash, or offline payment, and every option of payment is also available here. So confirm with cash, let us say we are choosing this. Please add shipping information, so we can add shipping information or walk-in customer, so as per our requirement, and we can simply place the order. Like offline payment is here, and we can check the payment and amount and transaction ID and all such things are here. Payment proof can also be uploaded. So confirm with COD, so we can add the shipping information, and the COD will be confirmed. So you can use all these details for selling directly through your store. And since it is just a demo instance, I cannot create any order. This is why it is restricting from creating this order. Further, the billing can be printed out, like if we are willing to print this order, so we can print this order as well. Like this is the print order, and the shipping discount, and the shipping is 0, or place order option are also available there. So POS is complete. Now I am taking you to the POS manager. Like this is POS manager. I have already shown you. POS configuration, so point of sale configuration, print width, so like POS activation for seller, and the printer size can be set here. So this is a very simple setting. Next is the products. That is a very important part of any online or offline selling system. So products we need to list, like all the products that have been listed in the system is shown here, and we can further edit the product or delete the product. We can copy, duplicate the product, or change the status, published or unpublished, feature product to real deal, and the stock status information, and edit by. So all the details can be listed with the product, and I am going to show you one product details. Like this is the product. Like we can have multiple languages for product listing, English, Bangla, and as you are setting for your system. So product name, category, brand, unit, weight, minimum purchase quantity, product images, product videos, product variations, product price plus stock, and all details related to product can be loaded here, like PDF specifications, SEO meta tags, and so SEO is already included in the system. It is a great thing. So you can add the description, like in editor, Word file editor, and Further, you can run the flash deal, and you can change the status like cash on delivery status and the stock visibility state, quantity, and the shipping configuration. Free shipping is here. So, is product quality multiply. So every details that you need for a listing a product is available on this screen, and you can simply add new product or update the existing ones. So you can use this add new product option for adding as many products as you want at your system. You can give all these specification and make it live for selling online or from your retail store. And in-house products you can add, like if you are willing to create a separate store for products, like all products are here, seller products are here, in-house products. So if you are willing to list a separate list for your in-house products, like what you are actually owning or having or willing to sell, so you can list all these products, and further you can add a new products from this screen. Sorry, this link is not working, but yes, it will certainly work at the live system. And okay, all products are here, and this is just a demo instance. This is why some links might be not working, but I'm using the demo instance directly coming from the developer itself. So in-house products, as I said, it is available here, and I will check again. So yes, it is working now. So we can add a new in-house product. Similarly, a seller. So this is going to be a multi-vendor store. So you can add seller products separately, and you can add seller product, and you have all the options for seller products and all. Similarly, you have digital products, and you can add new digital products. Bulk import options for product bulk uploads, and you can have a CSV format, in which format you can upload the products in bulk, and you can further upload the product in bulk and through Excel sheet or CSV sheet. Similarly, bulk export option is also here, so you can download all the product. You can create category of products wherever is required, like computer accessory, main clothing, fashion, kids and toys. So these are some categories. And further, you can use the banner of categories, icon, cover image, feature products, and further options are also here. So I can show you on the screen. This is the category information, and further you have all the language options. You can create new categories for your product. Similarly, you can create brands, in which brands you are willing to operate your system. So you can list the brands that you are selling or listing at your store. Attributes are another part. So like for variations, you can use attributes like measurement attributes, color attributes, sleeve size attributes. So whatever attribute you might be willing to have your system, you can similar and easily create all these attributes. Colors, like you can set the colors. Further, you can add as many as colors you want for your system. It will all be used at your product listing page. Okay. Product reviews is another part. So this is the product review, and product owner is here, and the seller customer name is here, what reviews you are getting, what ratings you are getting, what comments you have received. So this is also a very good part, which is generally not available in general CMS. So all these things are for product listing and reviews and basic settings. Further, we have auction product option, like this is an add-on. In fact, you have to buy this add-on separately. So you can use auction products like thing, and you can add new auction products, see all the auction products that is listed, in-house auction products, seller auction products, and the auction products orders. Similarly, you can have another add-on for wholesale product. You can add new wholesale products, and the wholesale product listings are here. All in-house wholesale products can be seen here. Sales is a very important part. You can get all the details of sales, what is going through the system, and you can check all the details. You can download the details. You can view the details on the screen. whatever sales has been generated through the system, what was the billing information and who was the customer, and also like QR code is also available here in the sales details. Next, I can show you the in-house orders like details, seller orders, and the pickup point orders. So all types of order is included in the sales part. Next is delivery why. So it is also a very important part which is generally not available in system like Shopify etc. I'm not sure about, but yes, it is available here. So delivery why configuration, you can list the delivery boys who is working for the delivery at your store or your organization. So all delivery boys can be seen here. You can add new delivery boy details, name, email, phone, and all the details of delivery boy who is going to work on the delivery part. So you can add new delivery boy, payment histories from the delivery boy, so you can check all the payment histories here, collected histories, and cancel request, and the configuration part is also here, like payment configuration, monthly salary you can decide here, or you can also make it at per day, or how you want to pay to the delivery buyer, like per order confirmation or monthly salary. It is totally up to you. You can check, configure the email and the commission rates. You can decide, and you can further generate the pickup location for delivery boy. You can decide in which location a particular delivery boy is going to work, like latitude and longitude you can add here. So that you may decide the delivery boy's area. So it is a very, very important configuration. Next is refunds. So what refunds is requested through the system. So like for any certain return, refund status and all can be checked here. And approved refunds. So if the refund is genuine, you can approve the refund. And the rejected refunds, refund configuration is again here. So set time for sending request and all such things can be set here. So as I am saying, it is a complete solution for e-commerce, and don't compare with it with any online CMS, because it has different features, additional features that is available for a complete marketplace e-commerce system. The next part that we can see is customers, and again customer list are here. You can register your customers directly through the system, or you can use the classified products option, classified packages for customer, and the registration system. So like packages you can create. Sellers, since it is a multi-vendor system, you can register the sellers, you can add new sellers, and the payouts of the seller can be decided here and can be seen here. Seller commissions can be configured, payout request can be configured. So it is totally visible on your screen how the commission is being processed to the seller. And the seller verification form, it is another part. So the text, what information you want to collect from the seller, like name, soft name, email, license number, and all. So you can add as many details as you want, like input text. You can add more, select option, or multiple. So this is a totally a dynamic form. So you can add new options to this form as well. So seller verification form is here. Like next is the uploaded files. What files you want to upload to use within the system. So like images are here from for the front end images. These are the images, so that it can be further viewed in the front end. Like these are some images. This is the one of the images. So this is all image part, and I can show you the. Okay, so now it is. Okay, so this is all images, and you can upload the required images, as many as you need. Next is the reports, and you can have all types of reports, like you in-house product sale report, and the
how many items had been sold, which are the items, and you can get all the detail. Seller product sale and the product stocks, user searches, commission history. These all are reports, wallet recharge history and all. Next, I can show you the blog system that is visible on the front end of the system, so you can add new blogs or post and the categories. Marketing is something promotional activity at your store. So flash day you can run, new newsletters activity you can run, like you can create new flash deals, you can edit the existing flash deals and the UI can be decided so that you may promote the products for a day and a similar activity. Flash deal you can run newsletters. You can even go for bulk SMS. This is also an add-on. You can configure the Julo SMS and all such gateways. Subscribers you can check, and coupon you can raise for deals and all. So I have already shown you the marketing part. Support is of course an integral part of any store, any service. So support ticket system is well available here. This is also a very good part. The customers and the buyers, your visitors, portal visitors can raise service request through their login, and you can further check the issues and reply on the issues. So it is a very, very good part that is available for addressing the customer request. So product conversations are also here. Product queries, like before buying the product, the customer can place certain queries, so it is available here. Affiliate system is also an add-on. So if you are willing to run an affiliate network, so this is affiliate registration form, affiliate configuration. You can do the affiliate users, referral users, and affiliate withdraw requests and affiliate notes. Okay, so this is complete affiliate. Offline payment system, just in case if you are willing to configure the offline payment, manual payment methods can be configured here. Offline wallet charges, offline customer package, offline seller payment. Asian payment gateway is a payment gateway that you can configure directly. Club point system is also an add-on. So if you are willing to create club system at your stores, you can have this add-on and the sets to the print and all. Website setup. So for the front end, you have to set all these things, like header. You can decide what you want to show and the header, which image you want to show. Some image we have already uploaded in the system, so you can use those images for the header part and the rest of part of the website. Similarly, footer, pages, and appearance can be handled. So these are the pages, and you can edit the home page and all such pages that you want to edit. So this is the edit option. So appearance you can set. Now the main configuration that you have to configure at very first time when you are onboarding on the system site, like this is general setup and configuration. In the general setting, we have the store name. We can upload our logo, site icon, and the website base color and the login page images, and all such basic settings can be done from this screen, like global SEO and the cookie agreement and all. Features activation, so you can activate or deactivate the features like HTTP activation, as the activation, maintenance mode, and disable image encoding and the wallet system. So whatever you want to have in your system, or whatever the add-on you want to have at your system, so you can enable and disable, like proxy pay and social media login and all. So it is all available in your control, so you can simply use the toggle to activate or deactivate the features at your website for the front end, of course, and for using in the system. Languages. So as we seen, we have multiple language options. We can enable and disable languages, and we can disable the status what is to be used in the system. So you can add a new language as per your requirements. So you can run the portal in multiple language at a time. It is a very great feature that is available in the system. The next setting is a great variety of seen currency. So of course, if you are running your store in India, you need to configure your currency and to Indian rupees. So all the currency, almost all currency is available here, like Indian rupees are here. So we can simply save the Indian rupee and symbol, how you want to show the symbol, and further how you want to edit the currency and all. VAT and tax as applicable, you can configure in the system. And the pickup points, so you can add pickup points if you are willing to have offer like drop shipping, and pickup points options are also well available here. So you can add new pickup points as per your requirement. SMTP is for email configuration, through which email is being communicated through the system. You can set the SMTP details here. Payment methods, this is also a very important setting. Like PayPal is already configured and Stripe is already configured. So if you are willing to use this application in India, Stripe is going to work for Indian rupees, and you can also have the international payment through PayPal. BKS and Nugget credentials. So there are many other payment gateways like Instamozo is also here, and the iLizo and the Paystock. So there are many payment gateways I never heard. Oh, okay. So Razor Pay is also here. So this is what I was looking for. But just in case if it is in India, you can configure the Razor Pay and Stripe at a time. So you can use multiple payment gateway at a time. It is not like you have to use any one. So you can use multiple payment gateway at a time at your system. Order configuration, so minimum order amount and the minimum order amount checked is also enabled or disabled. File system and the cache. So for AWS S3 and the Backblaze file system credentials, caches, and cache and session deliver, cache delivery, and the Redis configuration you can do. So these are all technical things for caching and the file system. Next, I can see social media logins. So you can enable and disable the social media logins. You can use the Google client and the Facebook login client. So you have to create this application at the respective social media accounts as well. Facebook chat. So it is integrated here. Yes, it is integrated. So you can use this system at your portal. Similarly, Google Analytics tools, Google ReCAPTCHA, Google Map, Google Firebase, just in case if you are willing to create an app. So it is also well available here. Next, I can see the shipping settings. So shipping configuration, shipping countries, shipping states, cities, zones, and the carrier. And the system. So system details, like if you want to update the systems, this CMS system, it is available here. And the server status, so you can change the server status, how it is performing. And the add-on manager, so whatever add-on you want, you can buy the add-ons, and you can enable and disable the add-ons from the system. So these are all complete settings for your multi-store, multi-vendor e-commerce store, or you can use this store as retail POS as well. So this is a complete solution for starting an e-commerce business, and I believe this video remained helpful in understanding all these available options that is available in the active e-commerce CMS. So the script is well available at the Code Canyon through the link given in the video description. Just for $59, it is a $100 solution along with the hosting. And in case you need any support in configuring the system, we are available for you. You have to simply follow the description links, or you can write in the comment section of this video.
And if you like this video and you are willing to create a digital asset, don't forget to this channel. I am bringing multiple solutions through it. You can really start your digital business in no time. So ready to use scripts are here. We are going to explore many more. Okay. So this is all about the active e-commerce CMS system, and you can start using this system. And if you want to explore at your own, this is the link. Okay, so I'll add all the links in the description of this video, and you can create a wonderful e-commerce portal for online retail shop, online selling, online store, and even for the backend POS. In the next video, I'm coming with more solution. Keep watching, keep building. Thank you.